Ayoko sa subdivision. Mainit, walang puno. Paano kung sabihin ko sa'yo na may subdivision na mapuno, presko ang hangin at may 20 plus na amenities, pero malapit sa city proper? Mag-i-invest ka ba? Welcome to Carmel Eco Village, a lifestyle where life slows down in the best way possible. Walang traffic na kailangang habulin. Walang stress na kailangang dalhin sa araw-araw. Sa Carmel Eco Village, ang retirement lifestyle ay tungkol sa comfort, space, at peace of mind. A home surrounded by a calm environment, designed for relaxed living and meaningful moments with family. Dito, hindi lang bahay ang binibili mo kundi bagong klase ng pamumuhay. A better lifestyle, a peaceful future, a place you truly deserve. Carmel Eco Village. Live your best retirement lifestyle. Dito mo mararanasan ang lifestyle na pinaghirapan mo buong buhay. Carmel Eco Village. Simpleng buhay na may kalidad.